Before everybody left, who was out there? Okay.
Gives Lester the name of one of his friends.
Kind of cold, yeah. It's like the young